也是很好，好吗？1000多，100多块。大大进来，
我去看那个，等一下看你们没有，
是吧？
你们买
在玩，
哇，很贵哦。
在玩。
这个你要。
Okay, my friend, this is your gentlewoman. Okay, so yung pinabili mo, talagang binalikan ko pa para lang mabili natin yung gusto mong bag. So, eto na nga yun, my friend. Let's see what's in here. Dararan. Okay, so happy. Okay, so I hope you're happy to this bag because I returned for this kahit na nasa bus station na ako. Binalikan ko para lang mabili ko ang bag na gusto mo. Ayan. So I hope you're happy. Enjoy your bag, my friend. Okay. So, bye-bye. Oh, no, bye-bye. Later, I will show the bag. Okay? So, for now, see you later. Okay? This is the bag. It's a black. It's a gentlewoman bag plug. Okay? So, okay. This is the receipt. Okay, so you see the receipt is 1990 and then 2 this paper bag 2 baht 1990 baht plus 2 baht is 1992 baht. Okay, so 1992 baht all in all this. See, no need to convert because if we convert, it's only times 2 in peso. Okay, so at least you're happy with this one. So ayan na po ang binili ng friend ko, bagong labas, 1990. Ayan, gentlewoman. Okay.